hey, let me show you how we can put back this battery cover on a DJI Osmo Action 6. So the first thing that we have to do, we have to just unlock this button. We have to move it to the right side and now slide it like that. So one more time. If you have some problems, move it to the right side like that, keep holding, and then slide this part. There we go. Now it's gonna be locked. We have to hold it like that. And then we have to attach this battery cover into that part that is available at the top. At the bottom actually, over here. So now, put it like so. Take a look. That's how we have to put it. Press on this. There we go. Now release. And we can put it back. It's actually quite simple. If you make it like for a few tries, you will actually get used to it. I hope you find it useful. See you in the next one.